This is the best Tigernut drink you'll ever taste, and guess what, you can make this from the comfort of your home. So if you are looking for that special drink recipe to wow your guests or to entertain your family, we've got you covered. This is not your regular Tigernut because we added a special ingredient that will take this Tigernut drink to the next level, so make sure you try it out. Firstly, you'll be needing some Tigernut. As you can see, we're using the fresh one in this video, but if it's the dry one you have available, all you need to do is just soak it up for some hours before use. Next, you want to make sure your Tigernut is properly cleaned because there's usually sand in it, so you want to rinse this properly before you proceed. Next, we'll be using some dates. This is going to serve as our sweetener, so you don't need to add additional sugar or sweetener. You want to open up your dates, remove the seed, make sure it's properly cleaned before you proceed. Next is our coconut. So we've opened up our coconut, we've rinsed it already, and this is what it looks like. Next, we'll be adding in our cashew nuts. Guys, if you have not tried adding cashew nut to your Tigernut drink before, you have been missing. Make sure you do not skip this step. Next, we want to blend this, so we'll be adding in our Tigernut into the blender already cleaned. Next, we'll add our dates, as you can see, and we'll follow in with our coconut and then our cashew nuts. Guys, if it's your first time on our channel, why don't you just click the subscribe button, because we'll be uploading videos regularly and you don't want to miss any one of them. You also want to turn on the notification bell, so when we upload videos you'll be the first person to see it. First tip when making Tigernut drink, you want to use cold water so that at the end of the day you get yourself a cold glass of Tigernut drink. Next, as you can see, we're just going to blend this thoroughly until it becomes very smooth. If you are watching this, I'd like to get your feedback in the comment section. Have you tried out Tigernut drink before, and is your recipe quite different from what you are seeing now? Let us know. We'll be waiting to hear from you in the comment section. So like I said, you want to give this some time to properly blend, then you can move on to the next stage. Next, we want to sieve this, so I'll just be using this sieve I have to properly sieve out my Tigernut juice. So if you have a bigger sieve, perfect, or even if you have the cloth sieve, you can use it also. All you just want to do is make sure you are able to fully bring out all the Tigernut drink, and at the end of the day all you have left is the dry shaft, as you can see. Guys, I would like to get your opinion on this. Many people say Tigernut drink can also act as an aphrodisiac. Has it worked for you? What is your experience drinking Tigernut in that area? Some people say it's just mere talk and then it doesn't work. For me personally, I just use it as a refreshing drink anytime I want to cool off. So I'll be waiting in the comment section to hear your opinion on Tigernut drink as an aphrodisiac. So I'll be going over this one last time until I'm able to take out all my juice. So guys, we're done now. This is what our Tigernut drink looks like. This looks so creamy, and trust me guys, it is so delicious. I'll just be serving this up in a glass now because I told you we used cold water, so this is already good to go. This is a great way to entertain your guests these holidays, and even something nice you can make for your family. So cheers guys. Let's get to know your thoughts on this recipe in the comment section. If you've watched till now and you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. Also, give this video a thumbs up so more people can get to see it. We'll be looking out for your comments in the comment section. Cheers.